counting total weights of marbles.
So this is problem background and objective. So I'm gonna explain you the first one, which is we have the problem is it takes time for us to calculate them, because when it's too much object, it's really hard for us to calculate them. So the second one for the problem is sometimes the manual calculation can lead to wrong value because of negligence in defining the object's value. And then we move to objective. So the first one, to calculate the value or weight of object in a faster way. And the second one, to enhance the recognition of object by removing the noise. And the third one, to calculate the centroid for connected component in the object. And then lastly, to define the object based on the area size.
We have 40 methodology in this project. First, we upload an image to the script. Second, we convert the RGB image to the grayscale and display image. Third, we display the histogram to get a threshold. Fourth, we make the image to a binary image, and then we change the binary image to the black and white and vice versa. Then we apply noise removal filter to remove the noise. 7, we display the image and histogram. 8, we label each marble with the ascending order of number. 9, we calculate the centroid for the connected components for in the image using region props. Then we display the image with the centroid location superimposed. Then we calculate the area of each marble, and the 12th step is we define the marble size based on area size. And for the 13, we calculate the total weight based on the marble. And the 14, we display the total weight in the message box.
This is program codes for our project. Okay, first we use CLC, close all, clear all to clear all the programs in a system. And then I equals to imread in brackets marbles.png semicolon. This one is to upload the image, name marbles.png and read the image. And then I equals to RGB to gray in bracket I. This one is to convert the image from RGB image to grayscale image. Figure, comma, im show I, semicolon. This one is to display the image that have been converted into grayscale image. Figure, comma, im hist in bracket I, semicolon. This one is to display histogram in order to get a threshold value that will be used in binarize the image. BW equals to Roy color in bracket I, comma 50, comma 255, semicolon. This one is to make a binary image by setting threshold value to 50 to 255, to 50 and 255. And then BW equals to BW area field in bracket BW, comma, square bracket 100 INF, semicolon. This one is the noise removing filter in order to remove the noise for getting a clear image of the object. And then all pixels in 50, 255 will be 1, which is white, and the rest is 0, which is black. Figure 1 im show in bracket BW. This one is to display the image, the binary image, and figure, comma, im hist in bracket BW, semicolon. This one is to display the histogram of binary image. L equals to BW label in bracket label, semicolon. This one is to see the label of each object. And then S equals to region props in bracket L, comma, centroid, semicolon. This one is to run the region props. And then im show P in bracket BW to show the region props image. And then hold on. Okay, for K equals to 1, double colon numel in bracket S, C equals to S in bracket K dot centroid, semicolon, text in bracket C in bracket 1, semicolon, C, comma, C in bracket 2, comma, S print F in bracket %D, comma, K, comma, dot, 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 horizontal alignment, comma, center, comma, dot, 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 vertical alignment, comma, middle, semicolon, and hold off. Okay, this one is to determine the area of the object at which to label the number. Okay, and then total underscore weights equals to 0, semicolon, area underscore 1 equals to 0, semicolon, figure. This one is to assign 0 to total weights and area underscore 1. And then for k equals to 1, double colon numerals in bracket s, obj equals in bracket l equals k, semicolon. This one is to label the number of the first marbles. Since k equals to 1, then L, if L will be 1, so this is to label a number of the first marbles. And then marble underscore area equals to region props in bracket obj dot area. This one is to display the area of marble, the area size of marble, of each marble. For in bracket k equals to 1, im show in bracket obj semicolon and if in bracket marble underscore area dot area less than 10,400, total underscore weights equals to total underscore weights plus 5 semicolon. Else total underscore weights equals to total underscore weights plus 10 semicolon, and close. Okay, this is how to define the marbles based on area size. If the area of the marbles is less than 10,400, okay, the value of the weights will be 5. While if the area more than 10,399, the value of weight equals to 10. Okay, as we can see, as we see the image here, 1 and 5 has more than has area that more than 10,399, which their value of weights are 10, while the rest, which is 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7, has area less than 10,400. Therefore, the weights of the value of weights are 5 respectively. And then final underscore total equals to total underscore weight. This one is to calculate the total weights of marbles after we define the area and then get the value of the weights. Then it will calculate the total weights. And then H equals to MSG box. In bracket, square bracket, the total weights of marbles is num to str. In bracket, final underscore total, comma, the marble results. And then set in bracket H, comma, position, comma, square bracket, 100, 250, 400, 100, semicolon, AH equals to get, in bracket H, comma, current axis, semicolon, CH equals get, comma, in bracket AH, comma, children, semicolon, set, in bracket CH, comma, font size, comma, 20, semicolon. Okay, this one is how to set the position, the size of the box, the title of the box, and the font size of the text. As you can see here, it will display the total weights of marbles is, and then num to string, in bracket final underscore total. Final underscore, this value will get from this calculation total weights of marble. Okay, and then this is the marble results is the title of the box. And then this is how to set the position of the box, which is 100 to 250, 400, 100. And then to set the position and the size of the box. And then font size 20. This one is to adjust the size of text. This is the output that we get. Figure 1 shows the image from RGB changed to grayscale image. And then figure 2 shows the histogram when the grayscale image being processed. This function is to get a threshold value that is it easier to define the color of object. Figure 3 shows a binary image that being set by the threshold value 50,255 that we get from the histogram just now in a figure 2. Then noise removing filter has been applied to enhance the white color of the marbles. So compared to the before, this image display clearly, most clearly. And then figure 4 shows the binary image labeled by the number in ascending order. As you can see, okay, in this step, the region props was applied to determine the area at which to label in. So as you can see, there is a number at each of the centroid of the object. So as 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Figure 4 shows the total weights of marbles in a message box. The title of the box is the marble results. The box version is set to 100 to 50, 400, 100, and the font size used is to 20.
As for the conclusion, by conducting this project, we have learned how to develop a program that can be used for calculating the value of project. We have also learned how to define each object based on area and make announcement of the image for recognition. As the advantage of the counting object is that it is convenient to calculate the value of the object in a faster way, while the drawback is it hard to recognize the object when the image could not display properly.